Hello everyone! So this week I was organizing my studio and I found a bunch of supplies that I haven't even tried yet. So I think I would like to use some of these new supplies and see how I can include them in my process. I'm not really interested in swatching or evaluating or even rating them, although I am going to have some opinion. But I just want to see if I can add them to my process. So today I would like to find interesting ways to include these newfound supplies. So we'll see if I can actually pull it off. Either way, I think it's going to be a fun video of creating art using our own photos or images and some new supplies. So if this sounds interesting to you, come join me now in my studio and let's see what happens. So the art supplies I found this week while organizing my studio came from different sources. Obviously, I purchased some of them from Amazon. Some of the art supplies were bought at art stores or even thrift stores. And some of them I found them in yard sales or got them as gifts from someone really nice. So I have this artwork here and I painted this photo transfer using soft pastels quite a while ago. And I'm pretty sure it had a livelier colors back then. But since then, this print was hanging on my dining room wall and the color is somewhat faded. So I think I'm going to try and revive this print and repaint it. I hope it works because I really like this one. I don't want to ruin it. And I'm going to paint it with one of the supplies I found this week. I got this brand of soft pastels a while ago and I didn't yet get a chance to use them. And I'm also going to use these soft pastels from Blake. It will be interesting to try these and see if I can actually bring the painted transfer back to life. Oh yes, I definitely love it now. I'm glad I went for it. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use these soft pastels in the future. Next great find was this brand of gel medium. I bought it on Amazon a while ago. I think I ran out of gel matte medium and this one was on sale. But for some reason I ended up not using it. I think maybe what happened, I couldn't wait and I just ended up going to the store and I bought another brand. I think in order to test this brand of medium, I'm going to transfer this photo onto hard canvas board. And for a change, I'm going to transfer an inkjet photo. No special reason, really. I just have it available around. This one has the same consistency as any other matte medium I used in the past, even though it's labeled as gel medium. And while it's drying, I wanted to mention that if you like this process, you're going to love my book, the new mixed media photography book. It's available on Amazon, so make sure you check it out soon. And if you prefer the digital PDF version, check out the ebook. It's available for sale on my website, nitsacreativestudio.com. And it's actually available for sale right now. So head over to the website soon. Don't miss out on the sale. I let it dry for about 10 minutes. It should be enough. Inkjet transfers don't need a lot of time to cure. I have to say I'm impressed with the way this medium transferred the image. Very nice. But now this transfer is asking to be painted. And in order to paint it, I'm going to try another supply I found in the drawer this week. I got these paints as a gift last year and I haven't had a chance to try them yet. So today's the day. I definitely love this painting. I'm very, very happy with it. And for sure, I'm going to use these paints again, for sure. So next, I found this brand of gesso in my unused, forgotten stash this week. Obviously, I can use it in my process as a primer, but did you know that you can actually do photo transfer using gesso? It's pretty cool and it works. I don't know if this one will work, but we'll give it a try. So I'm going to transfer this laser printed photo from Paris. to this oval piece of wood. Obviously, using gesso for image transfer, the transfer will have a white background and is not going to dry clear like the matte medium does. So this gesso worked great for image transfer, and I feel like it even worked better than my usual matte medium. It was with less steps, so that's really nice. So again, this transfer begs to be painted, which is of course an opportunity to test yet another found supply. We're going to try painting with Golden Open. I honestly don't even remember when and where I got these from. It was so long ago. So I think it's okay, but it's nothing great. I'm not in love with it. And I have to admit, I didn't like using these paints at all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, we'll see. Okay, so finally I want to try this watercolor block that I got last month when I visited Jerry Artorama store in Texas. This watercolor block is by a brand called Soho Urban Artist. I think I paid $7.99, so it's pretty reasonable. And I think I'm going to test it by oil transferring a photo I took in Virginia onto this paper. I feel like it will make a very nice surface for this type of image. And in order to oil transfer, I'm going to use 100% eucalyptus oil. When I oil transfer, I'm doing what I like to call selective transfer, meaning I'm using an old card to apply pressure on the back of the image, but I'm applying the pressure only in the areas of the image that I want to be transferred. Like these areas here, the main areas of the image. I just love it. So I think in the next video I might paint it with a light wash of watercolors. I'm not sure. What do you think? I think it will be perfect for this type of image. Okay, so this was so much fun. I loved finding long lost supplies and start using them. Actually, I have a few more that I didn't even get to. So perhaps we'll have some more of this supply testing and exploring adventure in the next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I had a great time creating and sharing with you. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So I think I would like to use some of this, but what do I know? Aha. So next I found this brand of, I don't think I want to include it. I'm not really, I don't think so. It's not my cup of tea. Can you see me now? Do I even know what I'm doing? Maybe not. It's time to say our goodbyes. See you next time. Bye.